Hey, what's good? It's your man, the guy Corey B, Brother Wise Words, and I'm here, man. Hey, I just got my bro book, my bro Rosco, no E, man. I'm so excited. Let's check this thing out, man. First off, I love the packaging, bro. Me and No E go back. Oh, look, hey, this thing came with a bunch of goodies. Hold on. You got a little stress ball. Rosco, No E. Really got a lot of mouths to go, man. I got some drips. Hold on, man. Put this on right now. Oh, man. Bro, wrote me a whole, man, and I got a bookmark, man. Look, the drip is real, man. C Banks, much love, bro. I'm proud, man. I can't even read all this to y'all right now, man. Much love, man. Hey, it's about legacy, man. Shout out my boy No E. Where my Falcons at? The drip is real. Can't wait to read this, man. Make sure y'all go check this out. Peace.
I don't do it for the kicks, licks, and I don't do it for designer. I just do it for the most high, sister, brother, nieces, and my mama.